Businesses needed help connecting with qualified professionals. The same professionals need quality opportunities.
Hello and welcome to 100% In Charge app. To start using our app for your company, first you'll need to create your own employee profile, even if you're an owner or CEO. Add to your team on In Charge page the team leaders who are going to be directly in charge of
Housing Loan, SME Finance Loan, Mohammed bin Rashid Innovation Fund, Emirates Movable Collateral Registry. To register, click on Online Smart Services. If you're an existing customer, click here. If you're an existing contractor or consultant, click here.
You'll see a list of applications from other developers on homepage. Click any application and it will redirect you to the Play Store.